My video guide is about getting rid of the online pop-ups and scary and fake alerts that come from the site Updatehighlyrefinedinfo-file.info. This is a deceptive pop-up that may attack Google Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. The pop-up tries to mislead people and to actually make them download and install certain unwanted browser extensions. Interacting with all these pop-ups is strongly not recommended. If you do that, as I said, your Chrome may be hijacked with adware type extension with browser hijackers and some other unwanted extensions. So simply disregard all these pop-ups, don't trust them. I recommend you to leave this page, and if any unwanted extensions were installed into your Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. Now, I also recommend that you investigate your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best solution to get it is on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.